the wall southwest. Yo, dito kayo southwest, oh. Push, oh. Di sila nakapush. Di sila nakaka-push. Di sila nakaka-push. Yo. Ready.
Hill front, guys. Hill
5
front,
seconds
hill
hold.
front.
5 seconds hold. Ready. Yo, look northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest on me. Hit. On the choke, on northwest. Full piece now. Peace now. Walk southwest. Walk southwest. Walk southwest.
Possible may isa pa sa lang engage,
Walk northeast. Doubles nga dito. Walk northeast. Yo, look shallow
Nagawa sila,
north.
nagawa
5,
sila.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north. On me. Hit. Come southwest. South. Move. Pillars move. Pagka feeling nyo galaw.
Atras agad.
Up the hill northeast.
Malayo na kayo sa search. Yung mga
Sa
team.
sa front, guys.
Ready. Look
Nag-engage
shallow
siya,
northeast.
nag-engage
Shallow northeast. Down the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow northeast on me. Hit. Shallow northeast. Patayin caller. Come southwest. Beyond my southwest. Okay, push north.
Tumatakbo sila.
Push
Okay sila, walking.
Try to them.
Tatakbo. Nagbubuti.
Try to them. Lahat ng nasa sa northwest.
Going east, marami.
Okay, come northwest. Ready, deep northwest in 5, up the hill in 4, 3, 2, 1, up the hill northwest. Kill. Keep catching, don't let them leave. Patay nga to na huli.
Madami sa east. Tumakbo kaso hindi nyo nakapot.
Gigi, yung iba, kung kaya nyo mabuli, mabul kayo dun.
Nakamount na.
In combat yan.
Yo, going northwest. Mali ata yung place dun. Pero,
Mas marami yung east. Dapat doon kayo tumakbo.
Hindi, wala di ka kayo. Yo, catch everything.
Nakamount na yung nasa east.
Ano ba yung nasa is? Ibang tao ba yun?
Hindi, sila yan. Yung maraming
Team
tumakbo.
rollers yan.
Magkaibang ano yan eh, magkaibang guild yan.
Yung God of War kasi
Going northwest side.
nag-stay lang sa brim yung God of War, parang tang.
Babalik pa yan eh.
Nag-cleric na nga ako eh.
Babalik yan.
Loot. May mga bag na loot pa dito.
Tumakbo agad.
Jerk lang yung kinalaban.
Patay color nila eh.
Namatay caller nila.
Walang second caller.
Nasa
Parang
kaya.
Yung mga di mo na nakita.
Ayaw lang din,
Kayo
ganun.
kanina.
Ayaw lang din.
Pangalan ng
Second caller din